The future of the car is electric, and it's quietly, brilliantly exciting. Buckle up, it's going to be quite a ride. Under the hood, BYD's advanced dual-motor all-wheel drive system unleashes a staggering 523 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds, quicker than many traditional sports cars, and enough to pin you back in your seat every time you hit the accelerator. The instant torque and seamless power delivery make every drive exhilarating, whether you're on the track or city streets. The Seal is built on BYD's E-Platform 3.0, featuring the innovative structural blade battery. This design not only boosts rigidity and safety, but also lowers the center of gravity for sharper handling. The battery is integrated directly into the chassis, making the car feel solid and composed, even during aggressive maneuvers. Thanks to semi-active suspension and BYD's intelligent ITAC torque control, the Seal performance isn't just about straight-line speed. It's agile and planted through corners, delivering confidence and control on twisty roads. The advanced chassis tuning means you get a car that's as fun to drive as it is fast. The exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, inspired by an ocean aesthetics theme. With a drag coefficient of just 0.219, the Seal slices through the air efficiently, maximizing both performance and range. Every curve and detail is crafted for both beauty and function. Step inside, and you're greeted by a 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen, intuitive controls, and premium materials throughout the cabin. The interior rivals established luxury brands, offering comfort, technology, and a sense of occasion every time you drive. But perhaps the Seal's biggest disruptor is its value. You get high-end performance, advanced tech, and luxury features at a price far below rivals like Tesla or Polestar. It's a game-changer for anyone looking for maximum bang for their buck in the EV world.